Just wanted to do a quick video. Some of you may have seen these Sundown amps recently. This is the SDX1200. That's the box it comes in. And Sundown SDX1200. And you get an owner's manual. Now, you've got 3 different Allen key sizes. There's some mounting screws. No external fuses in the amp. You have this mounting plate, cosmetic mounting plate, for your filter adjustments and such. So you've got a 1.5 millimeter that gets that plate off, the speaker, positive, negative, and the remote. You've got a 2 millimeter. What was the 2? No, I think the 2 was the, was that the, golly, I can't remember now. It's tiny. No, I don't know. I swear the 2 went to something. Can't remember now. Maybe the 2 was the screws. Yeah, the 2 was the screws for this cosmetic plate. So that's right there. That was the 2. The 1.5 millimeter was for the speakers and the remote. And then the power is 2.5. Kind of odd. But anyway, it does come with it in the box. Now this one has your gain, phase, 0 to 180, subsonic, low pass, and bass boost, non-adjustable bass boost. You do have Tiffany RCAs. And I tested this earlier and put it back in the box. And you may say, well, why didn't you test it now? This is a metal remote and metal housing. And it has a power on light. And the variable potentiometer has clicks, detents, clicks, like click, 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 click. And the reason I didn't bother, I unplugged it and put it back in the bag, is because it kind of pissed me off. For Sundown, this remote, when you went wide open with it, got everything dialed in, started backing it off, it started backing off at 3 o'clock and it was all the way off at 1 o'clock. So your adjustment range is like 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, which is almost useless. So there you go. Now I'm going to run this bass test, and you're going to see, the machete and see it move like it usually does with most of my tests. Now this gain is not at 7 o'clock. It is at 1:30, 2 o'clock. Now what does that mean? That means that this amplifier has a fairly padded input circuit. So my Alpine that does maybe 1 volt output, or your stock head unit that you're running through a line out converter, a passive converter, you're going to end up cranking that gain way up, I think. This would be more suited, this amp, to something with a 3, 4, 5 volt output, in my opinion. So anyway, that's pretty much a summary of the amp, since I already had it on the bench. And we'll play a little bass.
I want some bass. Y'all want some more bass? I want some bass. Y'all want some more bass? Damn. Damn.
Pressure of quad. All I want to do is feel the bass.
Damn.
So, now I'm a guy that's all about value. Now, of course, when do I buy a Sundown? Not really much, hardly ever, unless it's on sale. And this was on sale, and that's why I got it. And normal retail in this thing, I think, is something stupid, like $400. It is not worth $400. I'm actually, you know, borderline that it was worth what I did pay for it. Previous test, if you look at my videos, was where is it? There. Nakamichi 800. I would choose the Nakamichi 800 over this. Does that tell you anything? And it's not a bad amp. It just, I don't think the value's there for the, even on sale, even on blowout. I don't see it. You know, now if you're a Sundown nut, now I mean that with all due respect. If you're a Sundown fan and you like everything, it is cool looking, and it does have Tiffany RCAs, and it does have these funky, they actually remind me of Rockford, and I'm not sure if these, I don't think they unplug. They look like they're modular, but I don't think they unplug. But they have these, can't you see it? The little squeeze clamps, upside down squeeze clamps. I don't know. It's odd. The whole thing is odd, and that's probably why they were blowing them out, because they're not going to bring them back. But that's it. Sundown SDX1200.1 quick test. Slick Willie Budget King. Have a nice day.